Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Friday, October 4th, 2013. Thank you all for tuning in. Let's jump right into the charts here. We're going to start off with the usual S&P 500 E-mini futures. You'll see that the futures are trading down about 2.5 to 3 points lower. Currently right at 1672 and a quarter, 1672 and a half. So a little bit of an up move today for the futures. I don't know if we can make too much out of it. Today is a Friday. We normally look for a flat to slightly positive trading day, but with all the news surrounding us, whether it's a debt ceiling, whether it's government shutdown, we want to be a little bit guarded, a little bit on the cautious side. Overnight last night in Asia, the Shanghai index remains closed for a holiday, but you do have the Nikkei 225 index selling off down by about 1%, so a little weakness there. In Europe this morning, though, German DAX is basically flat. London FTSE 100, remember England can print their own money. That is basically up about 0.1%. France, Italy, and Spain are all higher. Italy is up 1.25%. Basically on the news that Berlusconi will not interfere with the government. So that is the deal over there. We don't want to make too much out of it, but that's what we are looking at. There are some stocks in the news today. ADBE Systems is one of them. The stock right now, if you take a look at the intraday chart, if we get that there, yeah, the stock is trading lower this morning, intraday, so the stock is down. Right now, ADBE Systems trading at $49.79. It closed at $50.88. It looks like the company was hacked by somebody and some records were stolen, so that's the deal there. I will have some levels today for ADBE. So if you come to the chat room, I will have some gap levels for ADBE. It is a small gap. It's not going to be a big play by any means, but there will be some gap levels for ADBE today. Looking at JP Morgan, it looks like Jamie Dimon has stepped down from his role as chairman for one of the subsidiaries. Right now, the stock is trading up a little bit around 52.35. So that is the news coming out of JP Morgan Chase. Jamie Dimon has stepped down from, I believe, one of the main companies that they control in the JP Morgan Corporation. So that is the news coming out of there. I don't know if that's going to be a big market moving event, but right now the market looks to be a little bit positive on that news, either way you slice it or dice it. So we'll see how that all plays out going forward. There will be 3 Fed presidents speaking today. So make that 4 Fed presidents. I believe Richard Fisher at 8:30 in the morning. William Dudley, the New York Fed president, he'll be speaking at 9:15. You'll also get another speech from Jeremy Stein. He'll be speaking as well. And then you're going to get Narayana Koklakota will be giving a speech at 1:45. I don't know how much credibility the Federal Reserve even has at this stage of the game, if people even pay attention. They only listen really to Brent Bernanke at this stage of the game, and it's almost better that way. There will be 4 speeches given by these guys. Can they move markets? Possibly. I don't think they will. But either way, you should be aware of it. There will be no job report today. So remember, the government is shut down. So the highly anticipated job report will not be released today. What's the difference anyway? Generally, that report is revised 50 times over. Also, who really believes the numbers anyway? So there's no job report, and just as well, I could go into this weekend without really even getting more emails about a job report. So there will be no job report due to the government shutdown. And really, what are we really missing? I don't think we're really missing all that much. So we're going to leave it there, short and sweet. Couple of other things. First, gold. Gold is trading higher today by about $2. So gold is up about $2 to $13.19, $13.20 area. Can't make too much out of it. If you take a look at the GLD, what you're going to see here is that the GLD trading around 127.48. Basically just a touch higher from where it closed. It closed at 127.18. So there's not much you can make there. Oil is trading up today as well. Light sweet crude is up about 59 cents at the moment to 103.90 a barrel. There is a potential storm developing in the Gulf, I believe, so we'll have to watch that. That can always push oil higher, but either way, I don't think it's going up all that much. You look at the USO this morning, you'll see the USO right now trading at 37.43. It closed at 37.14 yesterday, so oil could get a little bit of a pop on the back of a potential storm. But either way, if the storm develops into a hurricane, I suppose oil could move up a little bit more, but the market doesn't seem all that worried about it, so we'll see how that plays out. But you do want to keep track of it. With that said, everybody, I'm going to leave it there, short and sweet. Have a great trading day. Have a great weekend, and we will see you on the charts. Take care now.